Let it get close to her. Sammy, let it get close to her.
Okay.
She got scared, you love it.
Alright, I'm Mario. What do you want? What do you want? Nothing. Don't. Get away. Ah. Hey, stop. Sorry, guys.
The leg, don't knock her over.
We call this part 2. Stop. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna run over you too. Watch Rap ride.
Yeah.
Watch Rap ride. Like, zips over that. And I go back. What? Zips over when I go back. Close to you, camera.
Se asusta, pero como que no quiere ver.
Hello, guys. I'm riding Mario Kart. Ow. Ow. Stop hitting me. Go, go. Okay. Go fast. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Who's that? Hit the wall. Yeah. No. Yeah, pow! Mario wins again.